Hi guys, we're in London right now, and guess what? Wow, there's also a Yakult here. Look at that. This is Yakult Light for those calorie conscious people, and there's Yakult Reds. Wow, 2 pounds and 87 pence. Says pence or pence? Pence. So this is Kenneth. This is the forensics computer guy here in London. And
hi guys.
Yes, and this Yakult is how much in pesos? 240 pesos each. But it's a 7-pack, so it's 30 pesos each. It's very expensive. This is a high-tech payment system, right? Look, it's a self-serving machine.
Please insert your card into the chip and pin device. Thank you for shopping at Tesco.
Thank you too. Look, the machine is talking to us. Magkano? 4 pounds?
Thank you for shopping
4
at Tesco.
pounds. And how much? 4 pounds and 26.
76 pence.
Okay. So, mahal. Mahal siya. Mga 500. Mga 500. So, guys, magkano? Mga 500.
500 pesos for,
For
2 bags of Yakult.
2 bags of Yakult.
Most expensive Yakult so far.
Most expensive Yakult so far. More expensive than the Yakult in Japan. Okay, so nabili natin Yakult ng isang araw, titikman natin ngayon. So ito yung Yakult galing dito sa England. Nakalagay dito, a healthy start to everyday Yakult. So English. Okay. Tikman natin kung anong lasa. Tikman natin Lasang Yakult. Ito medyo iba to. Yakult Light. Lights. So ayun ang Reds. Lights. Ganun din. So walang pinagkaiba yung lasa ng Yakult na normal na Reds tsaka Yakult na Lights na galing UK. Okay. So yan. Sarap.